Hi friends, this is Sumalata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to make a healthy and tasty idli recipe. This is instant Rava idli recipe. It is not only healthy but also quick and easy to make, as this is rich in fiber, controls carb and keeps full for longer. Now firstly heat a kadai with 4 teaspoon of oil and now add a 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now add a 1 teaspoon of chana dal and urad dal. Fry it well until dal turns to a lightly golden brown color. Now I am adding a few almond slices to it. Fry it well. Now add a few chopped curry leaves to it. If you want, you can add more vegetables also for this. Now keeping the flame on a low, add 1 cup of medium sooji and chiroti sooji to it. Half cup chiroti sooji I have taken here. Fry it well. Roast it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes until the rava turns aromatic. Now cool the rava completely and transfer to a bowl. Now for the mixing bowl, I have added 1 cup of curd and a half cup of water to it and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well, and if required add some more water to it. Mix it well. Now add a quarter teaspoon of baking soda to it. Keep it aside for few minutes. Now grease oil to idli plates. Pour idli batter to idli plates. Then keep it in a idli steamer. It is an ideal morning breakfast recipe without the hassle of soaking, grinding and fermenting the batter. Now close the lid and allow it to steam for 15 to 20 minutes. And after 15 minutes open the lid and remove idli plates from a spatula. Now fluffy and spongy idlis are ready for a breakfast. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.